A good day to everyone. In today's video we are going to look at how to screen record on your PC using Ocam software. So let's first download it. Go to Google Chrome, type Ocam screen recorder, then click on Ocam download. You will see this free download, so click there. But me, I already have it. I'm just showing you the process of downloading it. So you can see here your download has started. And when I click on this download icon on the top right corner, you can see it has downloaded. After downloads, this will pop up. Click on run, then you wait for it to download. So from here, the process will have been completed. You can see they are saying thank you for downloading Ocam, and now after downloading it, accept the agreement and click on next. That's it. Like I said, me, I already have it, so let me go to the next step. Now let's work on some settings. To do this, go to menu on the top left corner, then options, then record, then to general. So copy everything here, like include the cursor, remain it as ticked, then use tricon, also let it remain as ticked, and the quality as very high. Then on game, resize and recording area option, leave everything to default. And sound and capture, also leave them to default. Then we want to enlarge the cursor size, and to do this we shall go to the effect. Let's begin on the left, click effect here, mark all tick the add mouse left click effect. Then on style, leave to rings as the default and the color as well. Then animation duration around 0.603, and then size 66, line width to 11. Then we go to right click effect. Also mark the add mouse, right click effect, style to star this time, then color blue, animation duration around 0.66 as well, then size to 74, then line width to 11. We go to highlight effect, also mark the add mouse cursor highlight effect, leave the color to default, but you can change it if you wish, then size to 93, soft edge 27, opacity 64. Then let's go to cursor size. You can put it at around 3.21. okay, so what next? Come here to code, leave to the auto select the first option, and here on sound make sure record system audio is selected, otherwise if not ticked, your recording will be muted. Then I recorded something small to see if the cursor is working, and you can see the size has already increased. And this marks the end of the video. If you like it, please subscribe. Until next time, peace.